Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check internal storage in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to device care. And here you can find the storage. Okay. So maximum storage here is 256 GB. 256 GB is showing here. Okay, out of 256, 24.5 GB is used. Okay, so available free space is 231.5 GB available. Okay, this is one method of checking internal storage. And also you can go to home screen of your phone and go to Samsung folder here and go to my files, and here to permissions for my files, and here go to internal storage. Okay, here you can see internal storage maximum capacity. It is written as 256 GB. So in this way also you can check internal storage. So your phone has total internal storage of 256 GB. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.